Hi guys, we're back. We're still on the same thing, systems of equations for the purpose of Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Math 7, Math 8, or proficiency exam. What is the solution to the system of equations shown above? Because you have four options, you can either take the answers and plug them back in, or you can just solve the system, right? When I'm saying plug them back in, I will say, hey, take every x and substitute it into your equations. Take every y and substitute it in wherever y is to the corresponding x, right? And see if they check out. That's one way. So if you don't remember how to solve a system of equations, that will be your way. That would be the way in which you can get the right answer, get the maximum score on this problem, and be happy, right? Well, if you can and you know how to solve it, maybe the easiest way, maybe the fastest way, right? And let's take the system separately. 7x plus 3y equals -8, -4x minus y equals 6, right? I will try to use the elimination. I will try to eliminate one of my variables. I'm looking at my y's. One is having a coefficient of 3, right? One is having a coefficient of -1, okay? If I can have a 3 here, I will be done, and what I'm going to do is to multiply the bottom equation by 3, okay? And the first equation does not change. You will have an equivalent system here with the first equation staying the same, 7x plus 3y equals -8, while in the second one you multiply everything by 3. So I have 3 times -4x, which is -12x, 3 times -y, -3y equals 3 times 6, 18. And that's your new system, the equivalent system, right, to the first one. Now add bottom to the top. 7x minus 12x, -5x. Y cancels out. -8 plus 18 is going to be 10. Many of you can see it. Your x would be found by dividing each side by -5. Your x will be -2, right? Now I'm looking back at my problems here, and I'm looking for which x is -2, A and B. C and D, goodbye, you are not good for my problem. To find your y, you will take this x and you will plug it back into any one of your initial equations, whichever you may elect, right? So let's go and plug it back into the first one and rewrite the first equation, which looks like what? 7 times x, but x is -2. 7 times -2 plus 3y equals -8. What is 7 times -2? That's -14 plus 3y equals -8. I'm trying to solve for y. Everything else should go away. How can you do that? You add 14 to both sides, right? -14 plus 14 is 0. 3y equals -8 plus 14. That will be 6. To find your y, go ahead and divide everything by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. What do you guys find here? Well, I'm finding that my y is 2. Knowing that, we are done. X equals -2 and y equals 2. The answer will be B. Okay? The answer is -2 and 2. The set with two elements, -2 and 2. Option B, you're done, you're moving on. There are many other ways. Like I said, one way is to plug them back in by using substitution and checking if they're giving you a true statement. But this one is the one that I recommend. Thank you very much. Let's go for another one.